What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Carventure Reg, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm gonna be driving this thing in manual mode. Let's get into it. Let's start it up, man. Let's roll it down. So here we go, man. First gear, we in there. I ain't never did a video like this where I was just driving this thing in manual mode. So let's do it. Let's do it, man. It's gonna be fun. You're gonna hear some downshifts and all that. Y'all know y'all gonna comment be like, Reg, you need a manual for real. This ain't the real deal. Trust me, I know this ain't the real deal, but this what we gotta do. Ooh, golly. Hold on. This thing crazy. Little second gear pull. Ooh. Ah, man, this thing is crazy. This thing be pulling, boy. This thing be pulling. Hold on. This thing be pulling, man. On downshift. The good thing about manual mode on the G37 and the automatic transmission that it will downshift for you. The computer will downshift for you. So you ain't gotta, like, you know, downshift. I mean, sometimes I wish you could downshift, but I mean, it's good to know just because sometimes I do be forgetting. I ain't gonna lie. When I do be having it in there, I be like, oh, shoot. But it be downshifting for you, so I ain't really tripping. But yeah, little fun, little fact. Let's see. Let's go on the streets. Get done at this little this overpass. I'm gonna downshift it for y'all. Hey, some people in my way, man. They don't want me to be great. Things sound good though. I had bruh turning back like, well, hold on, what is that? It's an Infiniti, boy. And for those who might ask, what is my exhaust? I have the stock cats on, stock Y pipe, 2 vibrant resonators, and a muffler delete. That is my exhaust setup currently. The only thing that I don't like when it shifts by itself and when it's in manual mode is that the car be jerking every time it do shift. So that's the only thing, but I think that's normal. I hope that's normal. I think downshifting is like my favorite part though, I ain't gonna lie. I like them downshifts. Downshifts be sounding so good. Ooh. Great handling too with the G's. Another G. Alright, it's a Beamer. I ain't gonna lie, this thing be pulling. Even from 4th gear, this thing be pulling. Do one downshift. Man, this thing is going crazy. A lot of this thing is going crazy, boy. I like this manual mode over the G35 manual mode. This one is a lot more funner to drive in manual mode than the G35 for sure. And then if you just wanna be regular, you know what I'm saying? You wanna clutch in. I was just joking. Clutch in. I'm just playing. But you want to be regular, you want to just drive it like that, then you could downshift it on yourself. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Just like that, man. This car is fun though. Good pulling, let's do it. There we go. There we go. Had to open her up a little bit. Did a little red line for y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Did a little red line for y'all. Hope y'all appreciated that. Oh, my bad, bro. My adrenaline is pumping right now. See if we can get another pull like in like that for y'all. My next car for sure, like my next, if I end up getting another G or whatever, a G37, it will be a manual. I do want to own a G37 IPL or a G37 Sport Coupe, so just keep that in mind. Do want one of those, but I think nowadays it gotta be manual, bro. Cause like letting that clutch in and then you really going, man, that's everything right there. To be honest, that's everything. Oh, hold on. Hold on real quick. Ain't that a trying to catch up to that G35 over there and see if he want to be down with all the BS. I'm telling you, boy, this car be making me smile, man. This car making me smile. I'm gonna do another video like this in the G35 as well, so I can show y'all why I don't really like about the G35 manual mode. How's the first one? Be conservative. We in somebody's neighborhood. Could be kids playing. Oh, I made the alarm go off. Wow. Okay, that was a compliment. But look how fast my gas is going down doing this. Hopefully y'all leave me a like, man, and subscribe. There y'all go. There y'all go. Another good little pull. Woo! good freeway pull in, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, man. If you haven't already, subscribe, support. Show your support by subscribing, turn on post notifications so you are notified every time I post a video. You know what I'm saying? We're posting more. I really want to go crazy this year. I really want to blow this channel this year. So do me a favor and just support. If you support. If you watch my videos but ain't subscribed yet, subscribe, comment, like, all of that. And if you could, just go ahead and watch an attitude. But seriously, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I do appreciate you guys. Thank you, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.